Samsung QN1EF Vision AI Mini LED Smart TV. Main features are Samsung QN1EF Vision AI Mini LED Smart TV 2025 is a premium 4K Neo QLED television available in 55, 65, 75, and 85 inches sizes. QN55 QN1EF FXZA, QN65 QN1EF FXZA, QN75 QN1EF FXZA, QN85 QN1EF FXZA. It combines advanced mini-LED technology with AI-driven features for a superior viewing experience. Below are its key features based on available information. Display technology. Quantum Matrix Technology Slim. Utilizes proprietary quantum mini LEDs with precise light control for sharp, accurate contrast and deep blacks with minimal blooming. Neo Quantum HDR. Supports HDR10+ with dynamic tone mapping for vibrant colors and detailed contrast in bright and dark scenes. Does not support Dolby Vision. 4K AI upscaling. Uses 20 AI neural networks to upscale non-4K content to near 4K resolution, enhancing detail and clarity. May not apply in PC or game mode. Color Booster Pro. AI-enhanced color expression adjusts scene by scene for vivid, dynamic visuals. Certified with Pantone validation for 2,140 colors and 110 skin tone shades. SDR to HDR conversion. AI algorithms transform standard dynamic range (SDR) content into HDR-like quality with brighter highlights and richer colors. Processor. Powered by the NQ4 AI Gen 2 processor, leveraging 20 AI neural networks to optimize picture and sound for streaming, gaming, and live sports. Gaming features. 4K 144Hz support. Available for PC-connected games with compatible graphics cards, offering smooth gameplay. AI Auto Game Mode. Automatically detects game genres, RPG, sports, and optimizes settings for reduced input lag and enhanced visuals. Supports certain console and PC games. Game Bar. Provides an in-game menu for adjusting settings like FPS, input lag, and minimap zoom. Supports ultra-wide 21:9 and 32:9 aspect ratios for compatible PC console games. FreeSync Premium. Reduces stutter and screen tearing for smooth HDR gaming with low latency. Audio. Adaptive Sound Pro. AI optimizes audio based on content and room acoustics, enhancing dialogue and background music with clear, balanced tones.